In this quick Blender tutorial, I'll show you how to merge two vertices together. First, switch to edit mode. You can quickly do this by pressing the Tab key. Let's say we have these two vertices, and we want to merge them together. One way is to enable Snap to Vertex. Then grab one of the vertices and move it toward the other vertex. It will automatically snap to the other vertex. Now, enable X-ray. You can click the X-ray button at the top of the viewport, or simply press Alt+Z. Now use Box Select to select both vertices. With both vertices selected, press M to open the Merge menu. Then select By Distance. Blender will merge the overlapping vertices, and you should see a message at the bottom saying, Removed one vertex. And that's how you can quickly merge two vertices together in Blender.